this one's carrying rock music, that one's carrying rap music. You're able to vibe out to whatever style of music that you like to.
Nababo ka balin, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, and nandito tayo sa Balibago, Angeles City to check out this newly opened na lounge na talagang aabangan nyo.
So guys, this is Meikos Lounge. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So again, we're with Andre, and again, thank you so much for inviting us. So how would you describe your food?
I describe our food as a fusion of different themes. We wanted to focus on lounge food, bar food, simple foods, but add our own twist to it. So I've given our chef and our kitchen staff the green light to try different things.
Yes.
And as you will soon find out, the sauces, everything are made in-house, internal.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We wanted to give a different dimension to go along with the ambiance of Meiko's Lounge. We want to be known for providing wonderful customer service, first and foremost. Customer service, great food, great drinks, wonderful ambiance. I wanted a nice spot to go to listen to music, to dance, to do karaoke periodically, and they have good food and drinks. So that's why we decided to open up Miko.
All right. On our table, so we have their famous mga chicken wings.
Yes.
Ang mga naked wings nila yung talagang mga herbs and spices directly to the meat.
Pansin ko dito, yung mga chips nila,
Homemade.
homemade kumbaga.
Yes. So yung mga burgers natin, they actually called sliders.
Pero ang kagandahan, I think this one is a tuna burger.
Wow, I like tuna.
Yes.
So they also have yung mga soup natin, we have broccoli at saka yung mushroom.
Purple martini, is the Mai Tai, and this is our Meikos cocktail, and this one is the blue margarita.
This one's carrying rock music, that one's carrying rap music. You're able to vibe out to whatever style of music that you like to. You know what I mean? So from there, you'll be able to experience whatever you want to experience that is lounge. You know what I mean? In your style of music. So everybody is being taken to it. That's something different that he's going to be bringing to Angeles that nobody else is doing. You know what I mean? So, and then you got to think about it, being inside of here with headphones on, right?
Yeah.
And then you're listening to your music, but when you take it off, it's like kind of dead quiet.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? So if you still wanted to conversate with your friends, you're still able to talk to them because you can leave one headphone off and one headphone on. You still hear your music, and then you can still talk to your friends. You know what I mean?
There we go. Yeah. Okay, put it on.
So ito yung pinaka-aabangan natin. So soon, ito yung available sa dito sa Meikos Lounge.
Turn it on. This is the second level ng Meikos Lounge.
Yes.
And if you notice guys, so nandito yung mga billiards table natin. For the size, I think they are professional
Actually,
tables.
professional tables to mga to. And a while ago, nasa baba tayo. And if ever gusto nyo lang na magpa-chill ng konti, maglaro, have fun with your friends, available yung second floor nila to have billiards.
Correct. Bar counter dito, so if you want to order a little bit of drinks, something like that. We also have few tables for food. But nonetheless, I think this place is for chill din. Sobrang flip niya dun sa baba.
Yes, from dark place, music, and dito naman is more on the play side, and then mas maliwanag
Actually,
side.
this is more light, no?
Yes.
This is lighter in essence. Let's say some hi with the folks here. Is he gonna be paying for the drink? Once again, thanks so much for being with us in this video. Congratulations, Meikos Lounge. And guys, if you're looking for those kinds of experiences,
Another option for you to chill. So meron tayo dito yung kung gusto nyo mag-shisha, available dito.
Yes.
Available din yung kanilang sports bar.
Yes.
And even itong balcony to hang out.
they are actually open for intimate or private events. So if you want to rent the entire place for your own privacy, pwede rin po yun. But nonetheless, isa pa sa mga gusto kong abangan actually yung silent disco.
Yes, actually ako rin excited ako doon. How to party in a headset.
I think that's gonna be crazy. Kakaiba yun.
Meikos Lounge, para sa kanilang sports bar, open sila from 12 noon to 3 a.m.
Yes.
And for their lounge itself naman, they're open from 5 p.m. to 3 a.m. the following day.
So located naman po to sa may Real Street, Balibago, Angeles City.
Across lang nila yung walking street.
And guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.